Alright guys, welcome to part 4 of the mmorpg tutorial. Where we last left off, we were finishing up the red user and we're almost done with it now. We should be able to finish it in this video. So, where we left off, we had else if password equals pass2. So that means if they entered their password correctly. Now we got to check to make sure if whatever player they entered, we gotta make sure if it already exists in the database. Like, we gotta make sure if there's already a player with that name, we don't want them to have the name too. So we need to do select, that means all, or instead of doing that, I'm just going to do, I'm going to do select all from players when name equals player. That means it's going to select all from players when name equals player. Alright? So it's going to go in the player database and look and see. Like, let's say I put in test as my username. It's going to look and make sure if they already had another player called test. So now we're going to do is player 2 equals MySQL query for is player. Now we got to query it to make sure. Hold on. I'm trying not to go back too much, but I forgot how to do all this. Okay. That means it's going to query all, not query. It's going to query every single piece of data in the database that falls under the category of select all from players when name equals player. Then it's going to fetch all the data. So first, on this line, it's got to select all from players when name equals player. It's got to find out what field you want to select, from what table you want to select, and what types of field you want when name equals player. Then it's got to query all those out so it'll know every piece of data. Then it's got to fetch the data, and that's when it finally brings it back to the server to see, and then it gives you your data. So now we have to do if is player 3. That means if whatever they typed in on the username, if whatever they typed in on the username already exists in the database, we want it to echo out, and we want to say that username already exists in the data. That user already exists. Please go back and put in, and I'm just gonna say that user already exists. That user already exists. Okay. So boom, 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 and then we want to echo out this right here, echo out that. Okay. So that means if whatever they typed in as their username, if that already exists in the database, then it's not going to create the user, it's just going to say that user already exists. So now we have to do the same thing for address. So I'm just going to copy this whole thing, or copy. How much do I need? I think I just need that much. So copy. Instead of putting is player, we're going to put is address. Address. Oh, spelled it wrong. And now we gotta select all from players where email equals email. So that means it's going to select all from, select everything from the players table where email equals email. And then it's going to do all this, and we're going to say that email is already, that email is already attached to another user. Okay, I believe that's everything. Okay, let's see. If name equals nothing, you did enter username. If password equals nothing, you did enter a pass. Why does that say wired word? Okay. If email equals nothing, you did enter email address. If password equals pass2, then it's going to is player select all for players with name equals player. Okay. That username already exists. Select all for players with email equals email. If is address 3, do that. And I need to add that. Now right here, how many of these things do I have opened already? Just one. So we need to close that, and then we need to echo, else echo your password did it match. Because see, if we look up here, we have if password equals pass2. We never check to make sure if the passwords match. So that means if the password does not equal pass2, then it's just going to forget about all this and just echo out your passwords did match. And it's going to echo I'm just going to steal this. And then it's just going to echo out that and kill the page. Okay, let's see if I got everything. I just want to go and see. Else. Gotcha. I know all this is boring, but we gotta get it just right so it'll register it. And I forgot to. Oh, I did this. You have successfully registered. Okay. Send to players. Email passwords. Okay. I think we're good to go. And how much time do I got left? Okay, I got enough time to see if this will work. So let's see. Let me go to my localhost, test, register.php. Okay, hold on. Let me try something. Let me try to make sure if the password thing's working. Your password didn't match. Okay, so that's working. Now let's see if it worked if we don't put in a username. See, it's your passwords didn't match. Well, how come it does that? Else echo your passwords didn't match. Hold on. Okay, if password equals pass2, then do all this. Else, we'll see what happens whenever I do that. Refresh. Is it always a good idea to check everything to make sure everything's working? 150K. Yeah. Okay. So, else echo. Hold on. If password equals pass2, then we want to do hold on. Okay. Let's see what I got going on here. X L your password. I forgot to do one thing. I'll do it right here. Exit. Else. Password equals MD5. Oh yeah, I think that's what was wrong. Hold on. Pass equals MD5. Password equals MD5. Okay. And then go through all that. Hold on. Else. Echo out. Okay, I need to hurry. I got 1 minute. Let's see what that does now. Wait. Don't enter that. Enter that. Submit. Still coming up. Your password didn't match. Well, I'm going to try something else off video and come back in video and see and tell y'all what I did. So, until next time, see y'all in part 5.